Hello friends, this is Sumit and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail.
Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology.
So friends, now that you all are aware about Dr. Vijay Dahifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Now let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Yeah.
And sir, you always guide us whenever it comes to sexual dysfunction, erectile dysfunction.
Sure.
And sir, you are getting n number of questions on your WhatsApp, on your email, and even we are getting a lot of questions on various videos that we always share on various social media platforms like Facebook or YouTube in comment section. So sir, by public demand, you have selected this very particular and very important topic, that is sexual dysfunction and orgasm. So sir, my first question to you is, what is orgasm? Sir, please tell us.
Definitely. Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are discussing different topics related to male sexual dysfunction, female sexual dysfunction, and we are taking scientific information in the frame of time, place, person, condition, culture, safety, consenting and our own and known partner, orgasm. This is a very, very important term. Especially what is orgasm? This is a release of feelings, a release of excitation or excitement in male and female, which is definitely satisfied by release of hormones or by ejaculation in males and by pelvic floor compression or pelvic floor contractions, which reduces your stress and pressure, and you would get the feeling of satisfaction and satiety. That is called as a orgasm.
Definitely. Sir, then what are different types of orgasm? Please tell us.
Excellent. Especially this orgasm is divided in multiple types. Clitoral orgasm, vaginal orgasm, it's a combined orgasm, pressure orgasm, relaxation orgasm. Like this way, different types of orgasm they are described, and we'll see details one by one.
Sir, as you have mentioned, there are different types of orgasm. So sir, what is clitoral orgasm? Please tell us, sir.
Sure. Especially youngsters, when they are coming in the puberty, there occurs hormonal changes, the feeling starts, the secretion starts from the clitoral and vaginal region at that time by stimulation of a clitoris with the help of either hands, which are a clean one, or with the help of vibrator if it is legally allowed. In such a cases, that clitoris is a very rich part with a neurovascular bundle, and by its massage, by its masturbation, they get a feeling of relaxation of their stress, and this is called as a clitoral orgasm.
Definitely. Sir, regarding this particular topic, I would like to ask you a few more questions, but we have first caller on the show.
Sure.
We have Shekhar from Virar. Can we take that call?
Definitely.
Yeah. Shekhar, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Yeah.
In male fluid orgasm occurs and how?
Okay.
Especially they are interested in male orgasm.
Yes, sir.
Because always we discuss about female orgasm. Females are going in orgasm means they are going in satisfaction, their body is relaxed, they are feeling satisfied or satiated, there occurs the pelvic contractions. Then what happens in male? In males also there are changes in androgens, in testosterone levels. Especially there is a total mechanism. First is the excitation, Then after that there is a plateau, means that all excitation and erection is maintained, and then after performing for 10 to 15 minutes there occurs orgasm, and at the end there is a resolution, means what? Ejaculation. In male there is a release of semen from the tip in a projectile intermittent manner, and at the end of that, that main person definitely feels relaxed, happy, and definitely this point is called as a orgasm in males.
Definitely. Sir, now again coming back
Yeah.
to our question and answers. Earlier you told us about clitoral
Sure.
orgasm.
Orgasm.
Now please sir tell us about what is vaginal orgasm. Please sir.
Excellent. Especially when partner are together by their consent and when they are doing the actual sexual activity, means peno-vaginal sex. In that case, by doing the sexual activity with permission, with consent and with their known partner, they stimulate the G point. What is G point? In distal two-thirds of the vagina, there is a point where there is a neurovascular bundle and it's a sensitive part, and by the friction of it with the help of organ, definitely there occurs neurotransmitter secretion, oxytocin release, dopamine release, and this release causes the contraction of the floor of the vagina, and this way vaginal sex also leads to the satisfaction, and that is called as a vaginal orgasm.
Definitely. Sir, as you have mentioned about
Yeah.
clitoral orgasm,
Clitoral, then vaginal,
orgasm,
yeah.
there is also one type, it is called combination or blended
Yes,
type
yes.
of orgasm. Sir, so what is this combination or blended type of orgasm? Please
Definitely.
tell us.
The name itself tells you it's a blended. Means blending of clitoral, blending of vaginal. Either that stimulation is by the sexual activity, or so many times with the help of, we can say, the leaking, or you can say with the help of masturbation, or if legally allowed with the help of vibrators. So such a type of combination called as a combined or blended orgasm, where the multiple ways, multiple methods are used for the purpose of relaxation and satisfaction.
Definitely. Sir, there are few more questions
Yeah.
in my mind
Sure.
that I would like to ask you, but there is
Definitely.
one caller on the show.
Yeah.
We have Shreya from Solapur. Can you take
Yes,
that call?
definitely.
Shreya, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi sir.
Hello.
Hello.
What is the effect of orgasm on normal delivery?
Okay.
Excellent. Benefits of orgasm. It's a special alag topic.
Right.
We'll describe here. See why this orgasm is important. If suppose the pelvic floor is not contracting, what will happen? Definitely at the time of delivery, there has to be relaxation of this area. Unless and until orgasm occurs, there doesn't occur release of oxytocin, release of DHEA, dihydroepiandrosterone, this type of hormones, and this type of release also they are helpful in menses also, regulation of menses, relief of pain from the menses, and reduction of the flow during menses, as well as at the time of delivery. At that time there occurs complete relaxation when the child is coming out. So by this way repeated orgasms helps for normal delivery of a child.
Definitely. Sir, as we are speaking about different types
Sure.
of orgasm, so now, sir, please tell us about what is multiple orgasm. Please, sir.
Correct. Again, this is one variety when peno-vaginal sex is going on. In one attack or in one set, this doesn't happen. Here, the male partner has to perform with massage or with clitoral massage and peno-vaginal sex for at least more than 15 to 20 minutes, because some females, due to release or release cycle of these hormones, they contract the floor multiple way in one action at one time by that release. So the male partner has to maintain his duration for her completion of that multiple orgasm. Otherwise, the female partner doesn't get satisfied. And if there is any problem with such type of set expression called as a unorgasmic cycle, so you have to consult with sexologist, urologist and andrologist with the treatment of hormones. This also can be repaired very nicely.
Definitely. Sir, now one last question.
Yeah.
Sir, what is pressure orgasm? Please tell us.
Correct. When puberty is coming, means adult stage is coming, means at the age of, we can say 10 to 12 years, hormones we cannot stop, semen start again developing. Again in such a condition, there occurs some type of feeling of pressing on the genital parts, clitoris, in such a way, by prone position, by giving pressure by the hands, by giving pressure by sleeping on that organ, or doing any type of movement like a masturbation, they get enjoyment, they get satiety, they do the fantasy also. So such a type of orgasm by pressure, by hands, by masturbation or rubbing on the subject or object, but it has to be under guidance, is called as a pressure orgasm. So friends, only one thing I will tell you, with your normal limits and with precautions, if you enjoy such a type of orgasm, then and then only you can enjoy your personal life nicely.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for sharing all this valuable information. But sir, due to time constraint,
Yeah.
we have to stop here in this particular episode. But definitely, we will
Yeah.
meet in one more episode with important knowledge.
Sure.
Yes.
Definitely.
But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Daifale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.